stocks are mildly higher as I speak to you right now. The Russell is up 0.25%. The S&P is up 0.2%. The Dow is up 0.15%, and the Nasdaq is only up 0.08%. Seems to be weakening as I speak to you. ADP non-farm employment change, which missed expectations this morning, showing only 54,000 private sector jobs added. Expectations were for 73,000 jobs to be added. Initial jobless claims were worse than expected at 279,000, but non-farm productivity quarter over quarter, this is an important data point, jumped to 3.3%. Expectations were for 2.8%, and the last figure was 2.4%. ISM non-manufacturing PMI beat expectations, coming in at 52, and the non-manufacturing prices paid missed expectations, dropping to 69.2. Yields are slightly lower this morning across the curve. Gold, silver, crude oil, and copper are all lower, with the dollar stronger in aggregate. Fed speak yesterday. Fed Governor Christopher Waller urged the Fed to cut rates soon and to begin a series of cuts over the coming months, warning that labor markets can deteriorate swiftly and sudden downturns require a proactive Fed. Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kashkari also addressed labor market concerns, acknowledging that policy is in a tricky position as inflation remains high, but the labor market seems to be cooling. He agreed that there was room to cut interest rates gently. That's a quote. New York Fed President John Williams is speaking today. BLS employment data, also known as the Nonfarm Payrolls data, is due out tomorrow, and expectations are for 75,000 non-farm jobs to be added. The unemployment rate is supposed to tick higher to 4.3%, and average hourly earnings are expected to tick down year over year to 3.7%. Looking ahead to earnings after the market closes, we have 11 companies with market caps exceeding $1 billion reporting earnings, including Lululemon, Broadcom, Guidewire, DocuSign, and Samsara. Tomorrow, before the market opens, only one company with a market cap of $1 billion or more will report, and it's ABM Industries. Economic data tonight: Japanese household spending is due, eco data for tomorrow, UK retail sales, German factory orders, Eurozone GDP, Canadian employment data, and of course the payrolls data in the US that I already mentioned.